If you're thinking about installing a Solid Step 4.0 on your trailer, there are a couple things that you'll need to measure beforehand to make sure that your unit is first of all able to have a Solid Step installed without modifications, and secondly to determine which model of Solid Step you will need. Ensure that your unit is as level as possible to get accurate measurements. You will first need to measure the threshold. Measure your threshold height. It should be between 5/8 and 3/4 of an inch off the floor of the unit. If it falls outside of this range, the door may not close properly. Next, measure the hinge plate clearance. Check the gap between the bottom of the door and the threshold. You'll need at least 3/8 of an inch of clearance between the bottom of your entry and screen doors and the top of the threshold to accommodate the hinge plate. Without this gap, the door won't close properly when the steps are extended. Once you have determined that your threshold measurement and your hinge plate clearance are going to allow for use of a Solid Step without modification, you will need to take a couple more quick measurements to accurately select the Solid Step 4.0 that is correct for your application. Measure for step height. Measure from the top of the threshold to the ground to determine the proper step height. Lastly, measure door width. Measure the inside width of the door at the base from flange to flange. That flange to flange measurement should be taken at the narrowest point of the entry door. So, to revisit the information that we have gathered, our height from the threshold down to the ground measured 33 inches, and our door width measured 29 inches. Referencing our fitment chart, that would tell us that the proper fitment on our example in this video, we will need a 30-inch triple step variant of the Solid Step 4.0.